guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, the RAM TRX replacement. RAM has revealed a photo along with a teaser video for the upcoming, which will be the replacement for the current RAM TRX. RAM has not officially said that this video is the RHO, but I feel pretty confident that it is. The big tires, the lifted ride height, and what appears to be a RAM bar out back all point to what will be the RHO. The old TRX was an absolute monster, 702 horsepower from its 6.2-liter supercharged V8, and that this prompted Ford to answer back with their version of a V8 Raptor R. From what we know so far, these videos we've seen of the TRX replacement will be the new RHO version of the Hurricane 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder engine, and should be good for around 550 horsepower and 520 foot-pounds of torque, which was revealed in the upcoming 2025 Dodge Charger 6-pack. I'll bet there could be more power to come out of that 6-cylinder engine. When Ram revealed the updated 2025 Ram 1500 last fall, Tim Knuskis, the CEO, said the RHO will have all the same equipment as the current TRX, albeit with a retuned suspension. And you have to figure that would be correct, seeing how there is a big heavy V8 under the hood currently, and the 6-cylinder is a lot lighter. He also said that due to the less power numbers, this is why they are not calling the TRX. For now, this is all we know, but we do not have to wait long, as April 25th will be the full reveal. I cannot wait. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let me know what you think of the Ram TRX replacement. As always, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time.